How often have we paused to ponder why we can't have everything we desire? Why must we constantly make choices? Why can't the world cater to our every whim and fancy? The answer lies in two fundamental concepts of economics: scarcity and choice. Scarcity, as described by the esteemed Professor Lionel Robbins, is born from the conflict between our boundless desires and the finite resources available to satisfy them. This imbalance between demand and supply results in a host of economic challenges, from poverty and inequality to unemployment and underdeveloped infrastructure. In essence, scarcity isn't about the rarity or availability of a commodity. Rather, it's about the limited means to acquire it. For instance, water may not be scarce in a city, but it becomes a scarce resource if the means to access it are limited. The concept of scarcity extends beyond physical goods to include human and capital resources. Examples of scarcity are everywhere. Consider garbage, which isn't generally in demand until someone discovers a way to turn it into fertilizer. Suddenly, it becomes a scarce resource. The same goes for air. It's freely available, hence not scarce. But food, clothing, and housing, those are scarce because we can't have them in unlimited quantities. Scarcity can arise from a variety of factors, including limited natural, human, and capital resources, a growing population, natural disasters, and unequal distribution of resources. Technological limitations, economic factors, and environmental degradation also contribute to scarcity. And this is where the concept of choice comes into play. Choice is the act of deciding between two or more alternatives given limited means. Because our wants are infinite but our resources aren't, we're constantly faced with making choices. Which ones should we fulfill among the competing ones? What means should we allocate to fulfill them? Take a piece of land, for instance. It can serve multiple purposes: farming, building a house, or creating a playground. But it can't serve all purposes at once. We must make a choice. In a nutshell, economics is the science of decision-making in the face of scarce resources. It's inevitable in most business decisions, whether it's deciding the price and output, estimating demand, choosing production techniques, making investment decisions, or deciding to shut down. So, the next time you find yourself pondering why you can't have everything you desire, remember that it's all about scarcity and choice. These two fundamental concepts shape our lives, our society, and our economy in ways we may not even realize. In a world of finite resources, we're all economists in our own right, making choices every day to navigate the landscape of scarcity. And as we've learned today, these choices and the scarcity that drives them are at the very heart of economics.